We spend money every day, but do we ever stop and think about why we spend? Understanding our spending habits is crucial. It's the first step to gaining control of our finances. This essay will delve into the psychology of spending. We'll explore the tricks retailers use. We'll also equip you with strategies for mindful spending. By the end, you'll have a new understanding of your own spending habits. You'll be empowered to make smarter financial decisions, take control, and unlock the secrets of spending. Our emotions play a significant role in spending decisions. Happiness, sadness, stress, they all influence our purchasing behavior. Think about a time you felt stressed. Did you buy something to feel better? Maybe a comfort food or a small luxury item? Retailers understand this emotional connection. They use it to their advantage. They create shopping environments and advertisements that evoke specific emotions. This encourages us to spend more. Being aware of these emotional triggers is key. When we recognize how emotions influence our spending, we can make more conscious choices. Retailers are masters of persuasion. They use subtle tactics to encourage us to open our wallets. One common tactic is anchoring. This involves presenting a high price first, followed by a lower sale price. The initial high price makes the sale price seem like a bargain, even if it's not. Another tactic is creating a sense of urgency. Limited time offers or low stock messages tap into our fear of missing out. This pushes us to make impulsive purchases. By understanding these tactics, we can resist their influence. We can make rational decisions based on our actual needs and budget. The impulse buy trap. We've all fallen victim to impulse buys. That candy bar at the checkout counter, the trendy shoes we had to have. Impulse buys are unplanned purchases driven by emotions rather than logic. Retailers strategically place tempting items near checkout lines or with eye-catching displays. They know we're more likely to make impulsive decisions when we're not thinking clearly. The key to avoiding impulse buys is to pause before purchasing. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Is it worth the money? This simple pause can save you from unnecessary spending. The keeping up trap. Social media bombards us with images of people with seemingly perfect lives. We see their vacations, clothes, and gadgets. This can create a sense of pressure to keep up with the Joneses. This pressure can lead to overspending on things we don't need or even want. We buy to impress others, not to fulfill our own needs. Remember, social media often presents a distorted view of reality. Focus on your own financial goals and priorities, not on what others are doing. Strategies for mindful spending. Now that we've explored the psychology behind spending, let's discuss practical strategies for control. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook to monitor where your money is going. Create a budget. Allocate money for essential expenses and savings goals. This helps you make conscious spending choices. Plan your purchases. Avoid impulse buys by making shopping lists and sticking to them. Use cash. Paying with cash can make you more aware of how much you're spending. It can help you avoid overspending. Delay gratification. Wait 24 hours before making a significant purchase. This allows you to think it through rationally. Freedom in financial awareness. Understanding the psychology of spending empowers us to break free from negative patterns. We gain control over our finances and our lives. By recognizing emotional triggers, retail tactics, and common spending traps, we can make mindful decisions. We can prioritize our financial well-being. Remember, financial freedom is not about depriving yourself. It's about spending consciously on things that truly matter to you. So, start today. Take control of your spending. Unlock the secrets to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Master money, expand your future.